Hi, this is Home's Guide. Welcome to our channel. Looking for the best juicer machine to kickstart your healthy lifestyle? You're in the right place. From sleek designs to powerful performance, we'll guide you through the top juicers on the market. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more insightful content. Let's juice up your life together. Number 1. Hamilton Beach Juicer Machine, your ultimate solution for fresh and nutritious juices at home. With its big mouth, large 3-inch feed chute, you can juice whole fruits and vegetables without the hassle of pre-cutting. Powered by an 800W motor, this centrifugal extractor delivers efficient juicing in seconds. The sleek black design adds elegance to any kitchen, while the BPA-free construction ensures your health and safety. Cleaning is a breeze with its easy-to-clean components, making juicing a joy rather than a chore. Whether you're a seasoned juicing enthusiast or just starting out on your wellness journey, the Hamilton Beach Juicer Machine is your perfect companion for delicious, homemade juices packed with goodness. Number 2. Seafiend Juicer Machine, your ultimate companion for effortless juicing. With its 3-inch big mouth, it tackles whole fruits and veggies with ease, saving you precious time in the kitchen. The stainless steel construction ensures durability while keeping your juices free from harmful chemicals, thanks to its BPA-free design. Cleaning up is a breeze, making it a hassle-free addition to your kitchen arsenal. Whether you're a health enthusiast or simply looking to add more nutrients to your diet, the Seafiend Juicer Machine delivers smooth, delicious juices every time. Say goodbye to store-bought juices and hello to fresh, homemade goodness with this powerhouse juicer. Number 3. NutriBullet Masticating Juicer Machines offers a refreshing take on juicing, boasting a sleek design and impressive functionality. With its slow cold press technology and reverse function, it extracts juice efficiently while preserving nutrients and flavors. The high juice yield ensures maximum value from your produce, while the easy clean design, aided by the included brush, simplifies maintenance. The addition of recipes tailored for high-nutrient fruits and vegetables enhances the juicing experience, inspiring creativity and promoting a healthier lifestyle. Whether you're a seasoned juicing enthusiast or a newcomer, the NutriBullet Masticating Juicer Machines in Gray promises a satisfying blend of performance and convenience. Number 4. NutriBullet Juicer Centrifugal Juicer Machine. This sleek and powerful juicer is a game-changer for anyone looking to elevate their health and wellness routine. With its 800-watt motor and stainless steel blades, it effortlessly extracts juice from fruits, vegetables, and even tougher ingredients for delicious and nutritious beverages. The 27-ounce capacity ensures you have plenty of juice to enjoy, while the compact design fits perfectly on any kitchen counter. Whether you're juicing for a quick morning boost or prepping ingredients for a nutritious meal, the NutriBullet juicer gets the job done with ease. Say hello to your new favorite kitchen companion and unlock the potential of fresh, homemade juices with the NutriBullet juicer. Number 5. Connelly Masticating Juicer Machines, a powerhouse for health enthusiasts. With its 4.1-inch, 104mm wide feed chute, this juicer effortlessly handles whole fruits and veggies, minimizing prep time. Its powerful slow cold press technology ensures maximum nutrient retention, delivering rich, vibrant juices packed with vitamins and enzymes. Whether you're juicing leafy greens or dense produce, the Connelly juicer tackles it all with ease, thanks to its robust motor and precision engineering. Cleaning is a breeze too, with the included brush simplifying maintenance. Elevate your health journey with the Connelly Masticating Juicer, the ultimate companion for extracting every drop of goodness from your favorite fruits and vegetables. In conclusion, finding the best juicer machine depends on your needs and preferences. Whether you prioritize speed, efficiency, or versatility, there's a juicer out there for you. Remember to consider factors like price, durability, and ease of cleaning before making your decision. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like and share this video.